I know what you're thinking.
Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for me. We'll wait. Thanks.
That's right, friends. We are back from the body shop. Now let me break it down for you. A small part of me wanted to do the body work myself because I've never done it and I really want to learn. But a much larger part of me, maybe 98% of me, wanted it done so it looked good. So I decided not to do it and to farm it out to a body shop. Now the body shop I took it to, I have some experience with. They've done some work for me in the past. Now, the fun thing about having teenagers is when they get their driver's license, they like to hit things. So yes, we've had to use this body shop in the past, which no problem, they do great work. They do everything from little dent removals to major overhauls, frame straightening, all that stuff. They do it all. So I was really confident taking it to them. And the dudes there are super cool. Now they said the best bet is going to be to just have the front fender painted, the front fairing, and the front tank painted. I just realized I said front tank. Now, if you don't know the anatomy of a motorcycle, there's usually only one tank and it's usually in the front. So that was pretty much the dumbest thing I could have said. So anyway, they'll color match the red. They'll fix the dents in the gas tank and paint those three things, buff out the rest of the bike, and it should match perfectly when it's all said and done. The problem is, and this is always the problem, they are booked out 10 weeks. Now, I talked to the owner when I was there and he said, if I prep a lot of this stuff and take the badges off and the trim pieces off, that he'll be able to get me in a little bit sooner. And since they're only going to do the tank, the fairing, and the fender, hopefully it won't be 10 weeks. We'll see. He's going to call me in a few days with an estimate and tell me when they can get me in. Fingers crossed that it is soon. On the way back from the body shop, I stopped in my local Harley dealership to see if they had that lower triple in stock, which why would they? I mean, who would have that random part in stock for a 10-year-old bike? And they didn't. They certainly didn't. But they looked up and they found that a Harley dealership two towns over have one in stock. So first thing in the morning, I'm going to climb in the truck and we're going to head out there and get it. So please join me, won't you?
It's the next day.
I know what you're thinking. No, I am not a professional singer, even though, yeah, I have perfect pitch and crazy range. Not a professional. But we are, in fact, on our way to Harley Davidson to pick up that lower triple tree and make some progress on this stinking Harley today. Let's go! Ever find a random box of rubber gloves in your garage that you didn't buy? Makes me wonder what the hell goes on in this house when I'm not looking. Those front forks slid right in there. Went to throw the front tire on and figured out that the front axle is bent. So I had to run back to the Harley dealership, bought a new front axle, bought a new spacer for that front axle. We're gonna get home and throw that front tire on. And yes, you saw me break out the big green egg today. We are smoking a corned beef. I know, hey idiot, you don't smoke a corned beef. I do. That was the first time I've had the big green egg fired up this season. I cook all winter long with it, but not this year. I've been cutting back on the red meat a little bit. The doctors say I have what they call dangerously high cholesterol. Whatever. We're going full send on the corned beef. And that is going to be a wrap on today's video, friends. Thank you, as always, for watching. And please like and subscribe and comment below if you so choose. No pressure. As always, please, peace and love.